This video presentation is made simple, with examples and illustrations that give you a great understanding of statistical tests. Hope you will enjoy and learn in this video. First, I will introduce you to statistical tests and their types, and discuss each test one by one. Later on, I will also incorporate an SPSS demonstration of each test. In research, statistical tests help to compare two or more sets of data, to find any relationship or difference between them. For example, you have collected data about fasting blood sugar levels from these two groups. Is there any difference in blood sugar level between these two groups? The application of an appropriate statistical test is needed to answer this question. All statistical tests are divided into two groups based on parametric and non-parametric data. A basic understanding of parametric and non-parametric data is necessary to understand the difference between these two. So, let's learn about it in the next video clip.